Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the maths session. I am here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. Today we are going to do question number 5 of exercise 7.6 from the page number 161. Complete the addition or subtraction boxes. Okay, you can see the arrow means if you are moving left to right you have to do addition, and if you are moving upward to downwards, in that case you have to do the subtraction. Okay, for example, see, if you are taking 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 3 means you are going left to right like this way. So it is addition. So you will put addition here. So the answer will be 3. Denominators are same. So it is a like fraction. So I will write 3 here. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So our answer is 6 upon 3. Okay. Moving to the next. 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. In this also we are going left side to right side, right? So what we'll do? We'll do the addition. 3 denominators are same, so I'll write 3 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 upon 3 is our answer. 3 upon 3. You can also write your answers in the simplest form, which is 3 ones and 3 twos. It means your answer is 2 upon 3. And 3 upon 3 means it is 1 upon 1 and equals to 1. You can also write your answers like this way in the simplest form. Otherwise 6 upon 3 and 3 upon 3 is also a right answer. Okay. So 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. Here what we are doing? We are taking 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. We are going down. Means subtraction. So we'll put the subtraction sign here. 3 denominators are same. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got the answer 1 upon 3. Then it comes to 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Again upwards to downward. Subtraction sign. 3 denominators are same, so I'll put the 3. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Our answer is 2 upon 3. Now one box is remaining. Right? So if you want to solve this box, either you can do it by addition or by subtraction. Okay, the answer will come same. Let's see. 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. We are going left to right. Don't get confused that this is the answers of subtraction. We are moving left to right. So the addition will be there. 3. So answer will come 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 upon 3. Okay. Now here if we'll go upwards to downward, means the answer came first, it was 6 upon 3 and 3 upon 3. Upwards to downwards means we'll put the sign of subtraction. 3 denominators are same, so we'll put 3, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, if you are doing the simplest form, then also your answer will come right. For example, in the simplest form is 2 upon 1 and here it is 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 because upwards to downwards we are going. So 1 denominators are same and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3 upon 3 is 3 ones are 3 ones are, so 1 upon 1 came, so equals to 1. Again 1 ones are 1 ones are 1. So answer, in short, the answer is coming 1 only, right? So this is your answer. See, 3 ones are is equals to 1. Okay. Moving to the next. Our next sum is, here it is given the same way they are given. If you are moving left to right, you have to do the addition. If you are moving upward to downwards, you have to do subtraction. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 addition will take. But you can see that denominators are not same. So what we will do? For making it like fraction as they are unlike fraction, so we have to take out the LCM. So take out the LCM. 2 and 3. 2 ones are. Into table 3 is not coming. And then we will do, carry down the 3. 3 ones are. Our answer came 2 3s are 6. So LCM is equals to 6. Okay. So 1 upon 2. By which number I will multiply? So I will get 6. I multiply by 3. Numerator also 3. So I will get 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6. Next is 1 upon 3. I will multiply by 2, so I will get in denominator 6 into 2, because in numerator also we multiply by 2 only. 2 upon 3 into 2, 6. Our answer came 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. So 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6 equals to, denominators are same, so you'll write the denominator 6, and then 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 upon 6 is our answer. This 5 upon 6 in the is in the simplest form only because 5 and 6 are not coming into the same tables. That's why 5 upon 6 is written in the simplest form only. Okay. Moving to the next. Next is 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. Here what it is moving left to right. Addition. Denominators are not same. So what will do? 3, 4. 3 ones are. In 3 table 4 is not coming. That's why 4 carry down. Then 2 twos are, and then it comes 2 ones are. 3 twos are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So LCM came 12. So 1 upon 3. I'll multiply by 4, so I'll get 12. So in numerator also 4. 4 upon 12. 1 upon 4. I'll multiply by 3, so I'll get 12. In numerator also I'll multiply by 3. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. I got the answer here. 4 upon 12 plus 3 upon 12. 12 denominators are same, so I'll write 12 as a denominator. And 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 means 4. 5, 6, 7. 7 upon 12. Here we got the answer. 7 upon 12. You can see that in this both sum, one difference is there. Here the denominators were similar. Right? They were like fraction. So it was very easy to find out the answers of like fractions. But here what it is, the denominators are different. So we have to take out the LCM, few steps increase in this. We have to take out the LCM, we have to convert into the like fraction, and then we can solve the answer. Okay. Moving to the next. Next is, take 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Here we are going upwards to downward, means subtraction sign. Denominators are different. We'll take out the LCM first. 2 and 3. 2 ones are. In 2 table 3 is not coming. I will carry down. And in 3 ones are. 2 3s are 6. We got the LCM 6. Okay. 1 upon 2. I'll multiply by 3. In numerator also 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 upon 3. I'll multiply by 2. In numerator also 2. So I'll get 1 2s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. I got the answer 3 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6. 6 denominators are same, so I'll put 6, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 upon 6 is our answer. Okay. Same way we will do the next one. One upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Minus because we are going upward to downwards. Don't forget that thing. 3 and 4. So we'll take out the LCM because the denominators are different, means they are not a like fraction. So 2 2s are, 2 1s are. We'll put down the 3 like that way only because in 2 table 3 is not coming and 3 1s are. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So we got the LCM 12. 1 upon 3. I'll multiply by which numbers I'll get 12? I'll multiply by 4 in numerator also. 4 is equals to 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 upon 4 again I'll multiply by 3, so I'll get 12. Here up numerator also 3. 1 3s are 3 and 4 3s are 12. So we got the answer 4 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12. Right? 12 12, so write in the denominator 12. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we got the answer 1 upon 12. Again in B, the same situation arises. One box is empty. So here also we will do the same, that we can take out it by the both method or by one method also, because the answer will come same only. So we will do the subtraction 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 12. So 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 12. Subtraction will come. 6 and 12 denominators are different, means we have to convert into the like fraction. For that we have to take out the LCM. 6 and 12 both are coming in 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 3 1s are. We will do by 2 only because 6 is there. No? In 2 table 3 is not coming. 2 3s are, and then 3 1s are and 3 1s are. Okay. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So our LCM we got 12. So 5 upon 6. I'll multiply by 2, so I'll get 12 in the denominator. So in numerator also I'll multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. Comes to 7 upon 12. So here already 12 is there. So by which number I'll multiply, so I'll get 12 only. So I'll multiply by 1 in numerator and denominator both. So 7 upon 12. So here we got 10 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12. So 12 denominators are same, so we'll write the denominator. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so 3 upon 12 we got the answer. 3 upon 12. But you can also do write in the simplest form, which is 3 1s are and 3 4s are. So you can also write 1 upon 4. Okay.